Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to send money using PayPal. First, log into your account through the website or the convenient mobile app. Once logged in, locate the Send and Request or simply Send Money option, usually prominent on your dashboard. You will then decide if this payment is for friends and family, or if it's for purchasing goods and services, which affects potential fees. Next, you'll need to provide the recipient's details. Carefully input their email address or mobile phone number to ensure the funds reach the correct person. Then, enter the precise amount you intend to send. You can also include a brief, optional note explaining the payment's purpose, which is helpful for both you and the recipient to track transactions. Now, choose how you want to pay. You can typically use a linked bank account, a debit card, or your PayPal balance. Before finalizing, take a moment to thoroughly review all the transaction details, including the recipient, amount, and payment method. This crucial step helps prevent errors. Once everything looks correct, confirm the payment to send your money. After confirming, you will receive instant notification that your payment has been successfully sent. When sending money to friends and family from your bank account or PayPal balance, it is generally free. However, if you are paying for goods and services, the seller typically incurs a small fee, which is automatically deducted from the amount they receive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.